Ở đây nó hơi hung tí nhưng mà nó mặt.
Just 16 kilometers northwest of Da Nang lies a place as beautiful as a painting. When the morning sunlight touches the grassy hills, the landscape awakens in gentle stillness. Here, every worry drifts away, leaving only moments of serenity, as pure and tender as the breath of nature itself. That is The Farmers, a beautiful farm we discovered for the first time on a soft, golden afternoon. Right at the entrance, we saw dairy cows happily enjoying dry straw.
Wow.
It was Mon's very first time seeing a dairy cow in real life. Their black and white coats looked so different from Grandma's brown cow back home, an Asian beef breed. Next, we met some sheep, gentle animals known for their calm nature. They love to graze on fresh grass and leafy plants and are always curious about people. No wonder these little friends felt so easy to approach. Even though Mon had met sheep at another farm before, he was still full of excitement. He dreams of having a farm big enough to raise sheep and all the animals he loves. With childlike wonder, Mon and his brother discovered a water trough carved from an old tree. They scooped water with a wooden ladle, carefully watering the plants nearby. In that simple act, joy bloomed as naturally as the greenery around them. Mon saw a farmer driving a lawnmower, something he had never seen before. With sparkling eyes, he wished that one day he could also become a farmer riding a mower just like that. Children's dreams are often so wonderfully simple. Whatever sparks their curiosity, they imagine themselves becoming it one day. In the corner of the garden, the boys discovered some adorable rabbits resting under their little wooden house. There were white ones, black ones, brown, and even gray. One curious white rabbit hopped over to Mon, who gently fed it fresh grass and gave it a soft pat. Among the garden corners, Mon discovered chickens, geese, and a gentle mother hen resting with her chicks. As Mon came closer, she rose and began to scratch the earth, guiding her little ones to search for food. By the stream, the boys found a flock of sheep peacefully grazing on the fresh grass. The animals seemed so calm, as if they had long been friends with the children. By the wooden deck near the stream, Mon found a lazy cat basking in the afternoon sun. When she noticed the boys' curious eyes, she shyly turned away. Mon meowed softly as if starting a secret conversation, and the cat replied with a big, satisfied yawn. Walking under the shade of coconut trees, we discovered a horse stable. 2 horses were galloping around, as if dreaming of wide-open prairies to run free. This is one of the places we love most at the Farmers. 2 little wooden houses sit quietly by a bamboo grove, facing the clear stream and the green hill. Mon imagines that in the evening, if our family could sit together by the fire, listening to the whispering bamboo and the sound of the stream, it would feel so warm and cozy. And in the early morning, with the mist still on the grass, having a warm cup of tea while watching the clouds drift across the hill, what a wonderful morning it would be. This is the largest pomelo garden Mon has ever seen. Pomelo is a tropical fruit that Mon really loves. The afternoon sunlight sparkles through the branches, pouring golden honey down every leaf. The scene is so beautiful that Mon just wants to stay here forever. In front of Mon stands a lovely little wooden house surrounded by a lush green garden. A quiet path, shady trees, and wide open grass fields. It feels just like Mon's dream home and garden. A place where he could run all day, plant more fruit trees, and take care of the animals he loves. It's Mon's first time sitting on a big tractor. Behind it are stacks of golden straw, just like in the harvest season back in the countryside. Mon imagines he's a real driver, turning the steering wheel of the tractor, carrying straw around the farm. Mon runs back into the pomelo garden and once again finds the sheep grazing peacefully. He follows them quietly, just like a little shepherd boy in this tranquil countryside. Mon follows the sheep all the way to the wooden house, where they eagerly wait for their dinner. They've been grazing all afternoon by the stream and in the pomelo garden, yet it seems they're still not full. As soon as the familiar sound of the grass cutter echoes, like a dinner bell, the sheep quickly gather around the farmer, waiting for their delicious meal. As the sun slowly sets, the farm lights up with warm golden lamps. It's time for us to say goodbye. Mon and his brother linger, not wanting to leave, wishing they could play with the sheep just a little longer. One day, we'll surely come back. These moments will always be a beautiful part of Mon's childhood memories,